hey Noma, and welcome to our reaction to Maxine Nightingale, and we're going to react to the song right back where we started from. Okay.
Right back where we started from. It's the first time single take honest reaction by Kirti and me. Let's get started. Yes, I enjoyed it, even though it was quite repetitive, but that's how most of disco music is. I really enjoyed it.
I think disco started in the 70s, but this sounded more like 60s itself.
Yeah.
With the way the music was playing and everything, other songs of the 60s, they sound just like this.
Did you like it?
I like it, of course.
It was enjoyable.
You can say it by the reaction when we like a song, you can say it from the reaction when we don't like it so much. It's just a formality that we do after the song when we say what we like or what we don't like, because we don't like faking things during the song is playing. We hardly, sometimes we can be, we can play over the top and just be sarcastic if we don't like a song, and we just go along and just play along with the viewers. Otherwise,
this is what we do. We give spontaneous reactions. Spontaneous, I felt like moving my hands. I did it. That's what I do. I liked it. I liked the voice. I liked the music. I liked everything. It was like Kirti said, it wasn't actually typical disco.
Yeah.
It was more. It had more of the 60s charm and disco that came a little bit later. I think a decade or so later. Yeah. That's it for this one.